Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on a video on Adobe Premiere Pro. It's really easy and shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So once you are on Adobe Premiere Pro and you have your video right here, what you need to do is just make sure that you have it selected, go over on Effect Controls, and once you are here, what we are going to do is make sure that we are at the beginning of the clip. Just to make sure. Now we are going to select these timers, the animation ones on position and scale, and just go to the end of the clip right here, and we are going to increase our scale, for example 1000. Let's let's just restart the clip to see how it panned out.
Hello guys, this is How to Talk.
And as you can see, now my clip is zooming. I'm going to show you how you can get until the end of the video, but you can
for free on your computer.
Just make it
it's a really simple process.
Zoom in to a certain point.
So let's get
from a certain point to a certain point.
So what we are going to type is just
however you want it.
wallpaper,
but for this purpose of this video, this is how it we've done that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.